What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again we are here at the shop working on the Raptor. So what today we got going on, as you see there's no front bumper on it. Last episode I pulled the whole front bumper off and I installed the rear bumper on it, and also we did the carbon fiber. We did a couple things, but today the goal is to install this intercooler relocation. This mounts behind the grill, so a whole bunch of stuff has to move. And then also I'm gonna install the front bumper. The front bumper is over there at the other side of the shop. I'm not gonna really pull that out, it's kind of heavy, I'm gonna need some help, but I'm gonna start pulling this thing apart, pull this grill off, pop this hood, and also I gotta chop this frame. Last time I was gonna install this front bumper, I thought I just bolted on, but really I gotta chop this whole frame in half. So it's a lot of work. Literally it chops like literally the whole front of it off right here. So I gotta tape it up, measure it, and cut it. So I'm gonna start working on it, start taping it up, measuring, and start taking this thing apart. So let's get at it and get it going. Alright guys, so I got my paintball mask on. Things are about to get serious. We're about to cut the frame to install this front bumper and also to install this intercooler. You got to cut the frame right here. So you literally got to lop off the whole front of it. Kind of crazy, but I guess that's what you got to do. So we're going to get it installed, get this thing cut up, and get this bumper installed. So let's chop this thing off and let's get at it. Alright guys, so I got the whole frame cut off. Literally crazy that I had to do this, but it had to be done. That's the only way this front bumper, this pre-runner bumper is gonna fit. So I guess I'm gonna tape up the other side, do the other side, and then we'll be one step closer to finishing this. So yeah, let's do the other side. Alright guys, so that's what a chopped 2019 Raptor frame looks like. Pretty insane. I'm all nasty and covered in sparks and God knows what, I don't know, I'm covered in stuff, but we got it all chopped. Gosh, that's crazy looking to be honest, but it's all done. It came out good, honestly, the cuts came out good. You can only do it so good. The actual website doesn't even show a picture of it cut, it just shows a little template of it cut. But it's all cut, it looks great. I mean, I wouldn't say it looks great, but it had to be done. So let's start installing this intercooler, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so it's the next day. A lot has happened since the last time I talked to you guys. So there was a lot of complicated stuff. I didn't really have time to film it, but we do have the intercooler installed. We have the adaptive cruise control module installed. This bolts in like that from what I understand. Everything's all plugged in. There's a lot of plugs that don't plug back in. That was something I was worried about, but I guess all the things, I talked to SVC, all the things that need to be plugged in are plugged in. Right here, I was worried about this hose right here. Look at this, isn't plugged in, but I guess that's just how it's supposed to be. I called them, so I was the directions kind of sucked, to be honest. But we're figuring it out. Got the frame all cut, we got it all painted. It looks, I mean, it almost looks factory. Obviously it's cut, but The cut job I did came out really nice. Everything's on there firm. This ain't going nowhere. So now what I'm gonna do is I gotta cut out this whole grill. I gotta cut the whole inside of the grill out on the back side back here to fit over the intercooler. So I'm about to do that. Let's cut this up and then we're gonna finish it all up. So let's get cutting and get this grill installed. Alright guys, so I got the grill all installed. I had to hack this thing up to get it to fit, but honestly, I'm going to show you guys where you have to cut because there's no instructions online how to cut this thing. So, I cut this top bracket flush like this, and then I popped out all these vents. I cut out the middle section, and then I cut off this crown, this little horn right here, and then I cut out a little square for the blow-off valve. But other than that, that's all you had to cut. Oh, and then you got to trim this, but I trimmed it right on the line. This was sticking out a little bit. I just trimmed it. So I didn't like make any weird cuts. I just kind of stayed with the line of everything, except here that I had to kind of chop that out. But it came out nice. Now it just pops right on. So I'm gonna get this thing installed and start this thing up. Yo, so I just started it up. Listen to how this thing sounds. Sounds pretty crazy. It's got a stock exhaust and everything still, but listen. It blows off a little bit, sounds pretty good. So I guess I'm gonna install this front bumper now. Everything's all cut, so it should just be bolt up. It shouldn't be that hard. But I guess let's get at it. Start bolting this thing up. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. We got the whole intercooler installed, we got the grill all cut out, we got the front bumper on, it's looking sick. I still gotta put the skid plate on, but I gotta put the lights in, so I didn't put that in yet because I have to take it right back off. But that's gonna be a wrap. It's looking freaking insane. It's coming along. The next episode we do on this thing, we're gonna be putting the Tesla style dash in this thing. So we're gonna do the whole, this screen, instead of being that little screen, it's gonna be the whole thing, like the Ram Rebels and like the Teslas are. So like I said, that's gonna be a wrap. That's all we're gonna do for today. So I'll catch y'all later. Make sure to drop a like, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. And see the Hellcat back there chilling. We got more coming for that. So stay tuned. Cop yourself some merch. The link's in the description. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace.